Hello. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon, sir.
afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon. Okay, we'll start it now. Huh? ठीक है. Last lecture we discussed Fermi level, Fermi direct probability distribution function, and there are two cases. Case number one, that Fermi energy level below the Fermi level at 0 Kelvin, and energy level above the Fermi level at 0 Kelvin. Okay. First, what is definition of Fermi level and Fermi energy? We'll tell Fermi level and Fermi energy. कौन सांगताय?
The highest field state at 0 Kelvin is called the Fermi level,
The
and
highest field,
its corresponding
high,
energy is called Fermi energy.
the highest field state at 0 Kelvin is called as Fermi level, and its corresponding energy is called as Fermi energy. Okay. Then what is Fermi direct probability distribution function?
The expression that governs the distribution of electrons among the energy levels as a function of temperature is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function.
The expression that governs the distribution of electrons amongst the energy levels as a function of temperature is called as Fermi direct probability distribution function. Okay. What is case number one? At 0 Kelvin, at 0 Kelvin, if energy level E is below the Fermi level at 0 Kelvin, but then what is probability of this energy? Probability of electron occupancy of this energy level E. What is value? F of E is equal to what? F of E is equal to, huh?
1.
What is meaning of that?
At 0 Kelvin, all states up to Fermi level are full.
Okay, at 0 Kelvin, all the energy levels up to EF, up to Fermi level, they are completely filled with electrons. And if energy level E is above the Fermi level, then what is meaning? Case number 2.
At 0 Kelvin, all the states above Fermi level are empty.
Okay, at 0 Kelvin, all the energy state above the Fermi level, they are empty. Okay, then write next article, Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors.
Maximize the screen.
Okay, I am going to maximize. Okay. Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Right title. Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Okay. Listen please. Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. What is intrinsic semiconductor means? Anyone?
Extremely pure conductors.
Okay, pure semiconductors are called as intrinsic type of semiconductors. What is the relation between N and P? N means concentration of electrons in a conduction band, and P means concentration of holes in the valence band. What is the relation between N and P for intrinsic type of semiconductors? Means
N is equal to P.
N is equal to P. Once again, what is N? What is N? Concentration of free electrons or concentration of electrons in which band? Concentration of electrons in which band? Conduction band. Means electrons present in the conduction band, they are free. Holes present in the valence band, they are free carriers. These are the conduction electrons and valence holes. These are the free charge carriers in a semiconductors. In intrinsic type of semiconductors, means in pure semiconductors, N is equal to P. Okay, means concentration of electrons in a conduction band is equal to concentration of holes in the valence band. Okay, then what is in case of extrinsic, there are two types. What is extrinsic semiconductors? Extrinsic semiconductors. Anyone? कौन सांगता है
Doped
extrinsic?
semiconductor is
Doped
called as
semiconductor.
Okay, doped semiconductors or impure semiconductors are called as extrinsic type of semiconductor. There are two types. Any other person? Okay,
N type and P type.
N type आणि P type. What is difference between N and P? Or what is N type? कौन सांगता है? हम अश्विनी चव्हाण. What is N type semiconductor? Which group elements are added? Chauhan. पटकन जे येते ते.
Can I, sir?
हाँ संदीप, हाँ.
As this semiconductor has larger number of electron in conduction band and the conductivity is due to negativity charge electron is called a n-type semiconductor.
Okay, in n-type semiconductor, majority charge carriers are the electrons and minority charge carriers are the holes. Means concentration of electrons in a conduction band is more than the concentration of holes in the valence band. Means n is greater than p for n-type semiconductor. Then what is for p-type semiconductor? P-type.
Sir, I can.
No problem.
Semiconductors which have a large number of holes and whose conductivity is due to positively charged holes are called p-type semiconductors.
Okay, in p-type semiconductor, majority charge carriers are the valence holes and minority charge carriers are the conduction electrons. Means conductivity due to these holes. This is called as p-type. Means p is greater than n. This semiconductor is called as p-type semiconductor. And these two n and p, these are the extrinsic type of semiconductors. Okay. Here Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor means Fermi level is the energy that corresponds to center of gravity, CG, center of gravity of conduction electrons. Center of gravity of conduction electrons and valence holes weighted according to their energy. It is called as Fermi level or Fermi level. Once again I will repeat, Fermi level is the energy that corresponds to CG. CG means center of gravity of conduction electrons and valence holes weighted according to their energy. This is the definition of Fermi level, right? First title, Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor. The right definition, Fermi level is the energy. Fermi level is the energy. Fermi level is the energy. Fermi level is the energy that corresponds the center of gravity that corresponds the center of gravity of the conduction electrons and valence holes weighted, weighted weighted according to their energies. Anyone will read it? Definition of Fermi level in semiconductors.
Fermi level is the energy that corresponds the center of gravity of the conduction electrons and valence holes weighted according to their energies.
Okay, for intrinsic type of semiconductor, N is equal to P. Okay, intrinsic type of semiconductor, N is equal to P. This concentration of electrons in a conduction band is equal to concentration of holes in the valence band. Then where is the CG, center of gravity? Where is the CG, center of gravity of this conduction electrons and valence hole? Who will tell? Where is the CG, where is the center of gravity of this conduction electrons and valence holes? Number of electrons in a conduction band is equal to number of holes in the valence band. And where is the center of gravity of these electrons and holes? For intrinsic type of semiconductor, N is equal to P. For intrinsic type of semiconductor, N is equal to P means concentration of electrons in a conduction band is equal to concentration of holes in the valence band. Where is the CG? Where is the center of gravity of these conduction electrons and valence holes? कौन सांगता है?
Middle of forbidden band.
Okay, at the middle of the forbidden energy gap. Means Fermi level for intrinsic type of semiconductor. Where is the position of Fermi level for intrinsic? At the middle or at the
Middle.
okay, at the middle or at the center of which band? Forbidden band. Okay. Then for N type we'll explain. Other नवीन कोणतरी पाहिजे. For N type we'll explain. Where is the position of Fermi level for N type?
Above the middle line of the forbidden energy gap.
Why above the middle?
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नंबर हा कंडक्शन बँड मध्ये जास्त असतो, होल्स कमी असतात.
Okay, concentration of electrons in a conduction band is more than the concentration of holes. That's why the center of gravity CG shifted कुठे shift होते towards
toward the conduction band.
Conduction
Towards
band.
the conduction band.
shifted towards which band? Conduction band. Means Fermi
Conduction
level
band.
shifted towards the conduction band. For P type, P type.
For level
No, पहिल्यांदा relation between N and P first. In P type semiconductor,
Holes are majority.
yes.
are positively
Holes is
charged.
greater than number of electron.
Okay, concentration of holes is greater than the concentration of electron. That's why CG, center of gravity
Is shifted upon valence band.
shifted towards the valence band. This Fermi level shifted towards the valence band. Right. First, draw this figure.
Valence band.
Okay, draw the figure for intrinsic first. Now, please, others, please mute yourself. Masa, draw this first figure first. For intrinsic type of semiconductor, show valence band, show conduction band. Then this is the forbidden band, and this Fermi level exactly at the center or exactly at the middle of this forbidden band. Here N is equal to P. N means concentration of electrons in a conduction band is equal to P means concentration of holes in the valence band. Draw this first figure. For intrinsic type of semiconductor, draw only first one, this one, for intrinsic type of semiconductors. First figure for intrinsic type of semiconductors. Draw first this valence band, show holes in the valence band. This is the conduction band, show electrons in the conduction band. Then this is the middle is forbidden band. Show here forbidden band, right here FB. FB means forbidden band. Okay. And Fermi level, show Fermi level at the center, at the middle of this forbidden band. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 means number of electrons in a conduction band is equal to number of holes in the valence band. Show equal number of holes and equal number of electrons. Okay, number of electrons is equal to number of holes. Draw this first figure. Okay, over. Figure is over, then tell me. Then we'll go for next one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other सवाल? मग आपण काय बोललेलं नाही, अश्विनी चव्हाण
झालं
Yes,
sir.
sir.
झालं ना?
Yes,
Okay
sir.
ना? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then who will explain this figure 1? आपल्याला एक paragraph लिहायचा आहे छोटा, 4 lines only on this figure 1. Anyone?
Sir,
Write these 4 lines on this figure 1. नवीन कोणतरी म्हणजे न बोललेलं पाहिजे.
sir, मी सांगू.
चव्हाण सांगा. ठीक आहे.
Concentration of electron in conduction band is equal to concentration of holes in valence band. Therefore, the center of gravity is the middle of conduction band and valence band.
Okay, at the center of forbidden band. Okay, middle of the forbidden band. Okay, correct. Write it. There is an equal number of, right? First intrinsic explanation of intrinsic type of semiconductor. There is an equal number of electrons. There is an equal number of electrons and holes. Equal number of electrons and holes. There is an equal number of electrons and holes. The center of gravity of electrons and holes, center of gravity of electrons and holes, center of gravity of electrons and holes lies exactly at the middle of forbidden band lies exactly at the middle of forbidden band, that is Fermi level, that is Fermi level lies Fermi level lies at the middle of Fermi level lies at the middle of forbidden band. Fermi level lies at the middle of forbidden band. Okay. Anyone will read it? कोण वाचतंय एकदा लिहून घेतलेलं?
Sir,
Yes.
There is an equal number of electrons and holes. The center of gravity of electrons and holes lies exactly at the middle of forbidden band. That is, Fermi level lies at the middle of forbidden band.
Okay, correct. Then next write it. Extrinsic, write title N type. Write title N type. Second, write title N type. Draw the second figure. In the second figure, show this is valence band. This is conduction valence band. The holes are present in the valence band, but concentration of holes is very less as compared to concentration of electrons in the conduction band. Okay, this is the conduction band, and concentration of electrons in the conduction band is greater than the concentration of holes in the valence band. That's why this Fermi level means center of gravity of these conduction electrons and valence holes shifted towards the conduction band. Okay, draw this figure. Fermi level means CG, center of gravity of these conduction electrons and valence holes shifted towards the conduction band. Draw this figure first. No, figure is over. Okay, valence band, conduction band.
Yes, sir.
Okay, show electrons in the conduction band, holes in the valence band, and Fermi level shifted towards the conduction band. We'll explain this figure 4 lines. We'll write 4 lines on this N type, Fermi level in N type. Anyone?
Can I say?
In one
No
type of
problem.
semiconductor,
Sakshi.
there are majority charge carriers are electrons.
Okay, continue.
And its number of electrons is greater than number of holes,
Okay,
and Fermi level is shifted towards the conduction band.
okay. Anyone that Sal will tell in short, please. 1 second.
There is more concentration of electrons than that of holes. Hence, in Fermi level in intrinsic, the Fermi level in intrinsic is shift towards the
In not
conduction
intrinsic, Fermi level in N type, shift towards
band.
the
N-type
shift towards the which band? Conduction band. Okay.
conduction.
Okay, write it. It has, write explanation for N type. It has more conduction electrons. It has more conduction electrons than holes. It has more conduction electrons than holes. It has more conduction electrons than holes. Therefore, center of gravity. Therefore, center of gravity moves up. Center of gravity moves up. Therefore, center of gravity moves up. Up. That is Fermi level shifts. That is Fermi level shifts towards the conduction band. That is Fermi level shifts towards the conduction band. Okay. Fermi level shifts towards the conduction band. Then next third type is p-type semiconductor. p-type semiconductor. Draw figure. Show energy arrow. हा एनर्जी आरो प्रत्येक वेळेस दाखवायचा आहे, प्रत्येक फिगरला दाखवायचा आहे. इंट्रिन्सिकला पण दाखवायचा आहे, एन टाईपला पण दाखवायचा आणि पी टाईपला पण हा एनर्जी आरो. ठीक आहे. देन draw this figure. Yeah, this is the valence band. Concentration of holes in the valence band is more than the concentration of electrons in the conduction band. This is the CG, center of gravity of valence holes and conduction electron. It is shifted towards the valence band. This Fermi level shifted towards the valence band. Draw this figure. Show this Fermi level just above the valence band. Here Fermi level is near to the conduction band, and here Fermi level at the center. Okay, so this is the Fermi level for p-type semiconductor, and here for p-type, P is greater than N. For p-type semiconductor, P is greater than N. P means concentration of holes in the valence band is more than the concentration of concentration of electrons in the conduction band. Means P means concentration of holes in the valence band, and N means concentration of electrons in the conduction band. Okay, draw this figure.
झाली सर.
Okay, then who will explain?
Sir,
नवीन
Sir,
कोणतरी
can I?
थांबा. नवीन
Sir, can I?
एक 1 minute I will tell the name. 48 number, roll number 48.
Sir, me.
बरोबर 48. रेशमा.
It has more holes than conduction electrons. Therefore, center of gravity moves us, that is Fermi level shift towards the valence band.
Okay, Fermi level shift towards the valence band. She is correct. Write it now. It has more holes than conduction electrons. It has more holes than conduction electrons. Therefore, center of gravity. Therefore, center of gravity moves down. Center of gravity moves down. Therefore, center of gravity moves down. That is Fermi level. That is Fermi level shifts. Fermi level shifts towards the valence band. That is Fermi level shifts towards the valence band. Okay, it has more holes than conduction electron. Therefore, the center of gravity moves down. That is Fermi level shifts towards the valence band. Once again, what is definition of Fermi level in semiconductors? कौन सांगता है? Fermi level in semiconductors. मिसाल सोडून दुसरे
Fermi level.
नवीन कोणतरी
highest
जाधव
field state आहे.
जाधव roll number 8. जाधव. सगळे आहेत का नाही तर बघायला पाहिजे ना. ओके, नको स्टार्ट इट नाव.
सर सांगू?
नाही, संस्कृती जाधव.
काय सांगायचं सर?
डेफिनेशन ऑफ फर्मी लेवल इन सेमीकंडक्टर. सुरुवातीला जी लिहून दिली आज अजून एकदा वाचून दाखवा.
बरोबर. Fermi level is the energy that corresponding to center of the gravity of the
सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी
the higher
नाही बरोबर आहे. हायेस्ट स्पीडला ती मेटलची डेफिनेशन झाली. फर्मी लेवल इन मेटल्स और फर्मी लेवल इन कंडक्टर्स. तुम्ही जे सांगताय ती बरोबर आहे. आताची सेकंड वाली.
Fermi level is the energy that corresponding to center of the gravity of the conduction electron and the valence holes weighted according to their energy.
Is called as
Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors.
Okay. Then next article, before that we'll discuss what is extrinsic semiconductors. In extrinsic semiconductors means n-type semiconductor, which group elements are added? Which group elements are added?
Fifth group.
Fifth group. Fifth group. Okay. Examples of the fifth group for n-type. Fifth group is added. Phosphorus,
Arsenic, antimony.
phosphorus,
Germany.
arsenic, antimony. These are the examples of fifth group. Due to addition of this fifth group, new energy level is formed. That level is called. आपण सिलिकॉन किंवा जर्मॅनियम मध्ये पाचवा ग्रुप ऍड केला, इम्प्युरिटी ऍड केली. त्या इम्प्युरिटी ऍड केल्यामुळे एक एनर्जी लेवल फॉर्म होते. त्या लेवलला आपण काय म्हणतो?
थर्मल एनर्जी.
नाही, या एनर्जी लेवलला काय म्हणतो आपण? ड्यू टू addition of impurity atoms, due to addition of this fifth group element, new energy level is formed. That energy level is called as which energy level? Its position is just below the conduction band. याला काय कसली लेवल म्हणतो आपण? ह्याला
ऍक्सेप्टर लेवल.
ऍक्सेप्टर लेवल कुठल्या टाइप मध्ये? पी टाइप मध्ये. एन टाइप मध्ये आपण चालू डिस्कस करतोय एन टाइप मध्ये. बरोबर आहे, तुम्ही फक्त पी टाइपची सांगितली तुम्ही.
Donor, sir. Donor.
Donor level, sir.
Okay, donor level. Okay, due to addition of impurity atom, due to addition of fifth group element, new energy level is formed. बंद करा, म्यूट करा. मिसाळ. Due to addition of fifth group element, due to addition of impurity elements, new energy level is formed. That level is called as donor level, and its position is just below the conduction band. Okay, then for p type, germanium means pure semiconductor. Which group elements are added?
Third group element.
Third group.
Examples of the third group?
Indium.
Indium, aluminum, gallium.
Okay, and due to addition of this third group, new energy level is formed. That level is called as
Acceptance level.
Acceptor level.
Acceptor level.
okay. Where is the position of acceptor level?
Just above the valence band.
Valence band.
Okay, just
Just
above
about valence band.
just above the valence band.
Valence band.
Okay.
Valence band.
Okay, please mute yourself. Okay. Position of acceptor level is just above the valence band. Due to addition of impurity elements, new energy level is formed. That level is called as acceptor level. Its position is just above the valence band. And in case of n-type semiconductor, due to addition of impurity atom, new energy level is formed. Its position is just below the conduction band. It is called as donor level. Okay. Then next article, write it, effect of impurity concentration. Right title, effect of impurity concentration. Effect of impurity concentration. Effect of impurity concentration on Fermi level. Effect of impurity concentration on Fermi level. Effect of impurity concentration on Fermi level. ओके, म्हणजे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन, इम्प्युरिटीचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवणार आहे आणि त्याचा इफेक्ट फर्मी लेवलवर काय होतो हे आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे. लक्षात आलं? टायटल काय आहे? इफेक्ट ऑफ इम्प्युरिटी कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑन फर्मी लेवल. म्हणजे इम्प्युरिटी आयटमचं, फॉर एक्झाम्पल एन टाईपमध्ये इम्प्युरिटी आयटम कुठले आहेत? कोणत्या ग्रुपचे एलिमेंट्स आहेत?
Fifth group element.
ग्रुप. त्यांचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं, फिफ्थ ग्रुपचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं, त्याचा इफेक्ट फर्मी लेवलवर काय होतो? फर्मी लेवल कुठं कंडक्शन बँडकडे शिफ्ट होते की व्हॅलन्स बँडकडे शिफ्ट होते हे आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे. त्याचं टायटल आहे इफेक्ट ऑफ इम्प्युरिटी कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑन फर्मी लेवल. फर्स्ट राईट इट फॉर एन टाईप. In n-type semiconductor, concentration of impurity atom increases. See here, see this figure. Everyone put your roll number in chat box. एक मिनिट घ्या त्याच्यासाठी. Within 1 minute, please put your roll number on chat box. Maximum 1 minute. Okay, or 59 are there. One more. ठीक है, okay. Listen please. Here single impurity atom is there, means there is concentration of impurity atom is less. In this case, see here there is a concentration of impurity atom is less. The impurity atom they are spaced far apart, म्हणजे दोन्ही एकमेकांमध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारचे इंटरॅक्शन नसणार आहे. कधी if concentration of impurity atom is less. In this case this energy level is donor level. ह्या impurity atom मुळे कुठली एनर्जी लेवल फॉर्म होते हो, आपण बघितलं अगोदर ह्याच्या अगोदरचं आर्टिकल. Due to addition of this impurity atom, which level is formed? Donor level. Donor level it represented by a single line. Single line का दाखवले जाते तर concentration of impurity atom is less. त्यावेळेस कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन लेस असतं इम्प्युरिटी ॲटमचं, त्यावेळेस दोन इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम मध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारचे इंटरॅक्शन होत नाही. डिस्टन्स बिटवीन दिस इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम इज मोअर. तिथे दोघांमध्ये इंटरॅक्शन नाही म्हणजे दिस डोनर लेवल इज रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय अ सिंगल लाईन. डोनर लेवल इज रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय अ सिंगल लाईन. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवत गेलो आपण. ओके, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कोणाचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन? इम्प्युरिटी ॲटमचं. Some impurity atoms come close together. Few impurity atoms come close together. Due to closeness of few impurity atom, this single level splits into number of levels. Single levels split into number of levels. आपण अज्युम करू दोन इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम एकमेकाच्या जवळ आले, अशा वेळेस जी डोनर लेवल आहे ते दोन लाईन मध्ये स्प्लिट झाले. अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं, अजून इम्प्युरिटी ॲटमचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं, more and more number of impurity atoms come close together, or n number of impurity atoms come close together, and this single level, single donor level splits into number of donor levels and donor bands are formed. Donor band तयार होतो. लक्षात येते? अजून एकदा म्हणतो काय लक्षात या, आपण एन टाईप घेतलाय. काय घेतलाय आपण? एन टाईप. एन टाईप म्हणजे एन टाईप मध्ये कुठले ग्रुप ऍड करतोय आपण?
फिफ्थ ग्रुप फिलामेंट.
फिफ्थ ग्रुप ऍड केल्यामुळे कोणती एनर्जी लेवल तयार होते? डोनर लेवल. डोनर लेवल. सिंगल लाईन इथं पहिल्या फिगर मध्ये सिंगल लाईन का दाखवलंय डोनर लेवल? कोण सांगताय? कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन काय आहे? इम्प्युरिटी लो आहे, म्हणजे ओके. लो कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन म्हणजे दोन इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम मध्ये इंटरॅक्शन आहे का? नाही. त्यावेळेस आपण काय दाखवली डोनर लाईन? सिंगल लाईन ना दाखवली. ओके. सेकंड फिगर मध्ये डोनर बँड तयार झालाय. त्याचा काय वाढवलं आपण? कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं की काय होतंय? सम इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम्स कम क्लोज टुगेदर. असे एकमेकाच्या जवळ आले इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम्स. ओके, सम इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम्स कम क्लोज टुगेदर अँड दिस लेवल splits into single level splits into single level splits into number of levels and donor band is formed. Okay, like this. अजून वाढवलंय आपण कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं तर काय होणार आहे? इथं आला इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम. Again this energy level splits into more number of levels. लक्षात येतं का मी काय म्हणतोय? जसं जसं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवेल आपण तसं तसं काय होणार आहे? कशाची विड्थ वाढणार आहे? कुठल्या बँडची विड्थ वाढते हो? डोनर बँड. आणि फर्मी लेवल. ओके, डोनर बँड. डोनर लेवल स्प्लिट्स इंटू नंबर ऑफ लेवल अँड डोनर बँड इज फॉर्म. फर्मी लेवल कुठे शिफ्ट व्हायला लागले? कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवले की डोनर
towards the conduction band.
towards the which band? Conduction band.
Conduction band.
Okay. थर्ड फिगर मध्ये अजून कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं. दिस फर्मी लेवल शिफ्ट्स इनटू डोनर बँड ओव्हरलॅप्स टू दी. डोनर बँड कुठल्या बँड मध्ये ओव्हरलॅप झालाय? डोनर
कंडक्शन बँड.
Conduction band.
ओव्हरलॅप टू दी कंडक्शन बँड आणि
कंडक्शन बँड.
ओके, फर्मी लेवल शिफ्ट्स इनटू which band?
कंडक्शन बँड.
कंडक्शन बँड. ओके, अजून एकदा लक्षात येते का बघा? पहिल्या फिगर मध्ये काय केलं? लेस कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे. त्यावेळेस काय आहे? देर इज नो इंटरॅक्शन बिटवीन टू इम्प्युरिटी ॲटम. दॅट्स वाय डोनर लेवल इज रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय अ सिंगल लाईन आणि फर्मी लेवल इज अबाव द डोनर लेवल. दुसऱ्या फिगर मध्ये काय केलं आपण? कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढवलं की काय झालं?
Interaction increases.
Okay, more some again try some few impurity atoms come close together, and each this level splits into number of levels, and donor band is formed. Okay, again concentration increases, this width of this donor band increases. Okay, width of donor band increases, right? First n type, and draw this figure. कशी फिगर काढायची अजून एकदा लक्षात घ्या. 1 मिनिट 1 मिनिट. पहिल्यांदा ही डोनर लेवल कुठं दाखवायची, सेंटरला येता कामा नये. कुठे यायला पाहिजे डोनर लेवल?
मॅक्झिमाइज कर.
हा मॅक्झिमाइज करून दाखवतो. ओके, ही डोनर लेवल कुठे यायला पाहिजे? हा
टुवर्ड्स द कंडक्शन बँड.
ओके, कंडक्शन बँडच्या जवळ पाहिजे, सेंटरला नको आहे किंवा व्हॅलन्स बँड पेक्षा नको आहे. दुसऱ्या फिगर मध्ये ह्या डोनर बँडची विड्थ वाढायला पाहिजे. नंतर थर्ड फिगर मध्ये हा डोनर बँड कंडक्शन बँडला ओव्हरलॅप व्हायला पाहिजे आणि फर्मी लेवल वर 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 जात कुठे जायला पाहिजे, कुठल्या बँड मध्ये जायला पाहिजे? हा कंडक्शन बँड. अशा प्रकारे फिगर काढा. टायटल रिटर्न, टायटल इफेक्ट ऑफ इम्प्युरिटी कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑन फर्मी लेवल. Then write first for n type, first for n type, effect of impurity concentration on Fermi level. Then write first for n type and draw this figure. Okay, draw this figure. सर्वांना दिसते ना फिगर? ठीक है, draw it carefully. This is a valence band, conduction band, donor level. Donor level अजून एकदा सांगतोय, सेंटर कडे येता कामा नये, सेंटरच्या वर पाहिजे. ओके, नियर टू विच बँड पाहिजे? हा, नियर टू कंडक्शन बँड पाहिजे. नियर टू कंडक्शन बँड. It splits into number of energy level, then donor band is formed. आणि हे फर्मी लेवल शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स दी कंडक्शन बँड. काय होतंय आपल्या एक्झाम मध्ये, ह्याला आपण फर्मी लेवल म्हणतो आणि ह्याला डोनर म्हणतो. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय होतं, फर्मी लेवलचं फर्मी बँड तयार होतं, फर्मी बँड तयार होत नाही. फर्मी लेवल फक्त शिफ्ट होत जाते वर वर वर, आणि डोनर बँड असतं. मिस्टेक करायची नाही आहे एक्झाम मध्ये. दिस इज डोनर बँड, this is donor band. Width of donor band increases, Fermi level shifted in upward direction, and at high impurity concentration this Fermi level shifts into the conduction band. Okay, it shifts into the conduction band. Okay, draw it carefully. Okay, we'll continue in next lecture now, remaining part. Now we'll stop it here. Okay, complete this figure and we'll stop it here.